Hey guys, welcome back. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Today I'm going to review these work lights. They are from Infinity. Yep. I've had on the wall, even though they're in the case. 700 lumens, 3 different settings. You got a red light, emergency light. I'll show you. Oh boy, that are nice. Then you got three settings. You got a red, you got a flashing red, and off. It's not fully charged right now, I don't think. I've used it. This one is, I haven't used too much, but got magnets. You can, right? Sticks on. It's pretty strong magnets, right? It's got a speaker, Bluetooth speaker. Works really well. Rechargeable batteries, and I've used them for charging my phone. I plugged my phone in, charges the phone, no problems. I'm going to have a review on a ring light, a big ring light. It is LED. Don't take a lot of power, but you can get over an hour running the light on one of these. So yeah, it's very convenient for in the shop. So I would give it a 8 out of 10. So I like them. They are bright. I've gotten, I don't know how long the batteries is going to last, but I did get two and a half actually. It was longer on max. The max output for the light, I think it says you can get 2 hours or something. I got 3.5 hours. Now I don't know how long the battery is going to last at that capacity, but so far so good. I really enjoy them. Yeah, definitely pick yourself up. How much are they? $39 at Costco. Yep. If you see them, do yourself a favor, pick them up. You're really going to enjoy them. Okay, folks. Again, hit the subscribe button. Support the channel. Appreciate it. And keep your stick on nice.